Hello, people. Today I just want to tell you to bring to your notice there are some other ways you can make money with your blog aside Google AdSense. Most people now find Google AdSense awkward because of most times the approval, the approval, denial, and all those stuff. So most tech bloggers, news bloggers, bloggers as a whole, most times they don't make use of Google AdSense anymore. But if you still want to make use of it, go ahead. Nobody's stopping you. So if really you are finding Google AdSense very frustrating in approving your AdSense account, please comment below and tell me so I can um, help you fix one. So but that's not the main topic for today. The main topic for today is I'm going to be giving you free 4 PPC management system you're going to be using to earn money with your blog. So it's very simple. Most of them are very complex to set, but they're going to be easy. But you're gonna be subscribing to this video and watch out for the next video, which I'll be showing you ways to set up these different accounts. So relax and don't go anywhere. So one of the first way of earning is applying for ClickSo. ClickSo is very good. It's very nice. It's just like the payment is just like Google AdSense. It makes a lot of sense. I love it very well and I enjoyed using it. So you too can just try and apply. Also, that ClickSo for you. ClickSo makes a lot of sense. I think they pay up to 85%. Is very good. The second one is applying for info links. Info links makes a lot of sense as well. Just my second to ClickSo. It makes a lot of sense. You're going to be seeing the links that leads to other sites on the description box. So click on them and get started immediately. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. There is no time to waste. So, so that's it. The third one is Propeller Ads. Propeller Ads makes a lot of sense. I'm presently using it, and for me, basically, it's lovely. It's awesome. It's awesome. It allows you to have ads on your blog. Clicking on it, get paid. I think I can't really remember the percentage, but it's good when you just get to their site. You just see them. They always have two sites, so don't confuse yourself when you get to their sites by using advertiser. Maybe when you want to use a publisher. So just know the difference between the two. Advertiser is when you want to advertise your blog or something like that. So, but publisher is when you really want to earn from it. So the fourth one is using Bidvertiser. Bidvertiser is very good. I'm going to be dropping the description there, how to get to their sites there. So just click on it below. So that's my 4 key ways, free ways of getting money with your blogs. Maybe in my coming video next time, I'm going to be showing you premium ways of getting money with your blogs. So these are the 4 free ways. What if you don't want to use pay-per-click management systems? Then I'll suggest you apply for affiliate marketing with Amazon or eBay or QLink affiliate marketing. That makes a lot of sense. I used it and I enjoyed it. So you too should try and make use of it. It's very good. It's very good. So thank you. Watch out for my next video where I'll be showing you how to do all these things live. Thank you very much and keep subscribing and sharing my videos. I love you all. Thank you.